When it comes to color correction, the most important part in it is the skin tones. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get better skin tones in Premiere Pro in just a few quick steps. But before moving further, intro. So I'm going to show you two different ways to color correct your skin tones like a pro. So let's just quickly dive into the Premiere Pro. So now we are inside Premiere Pro and we have this clip for the example. So first let's create an adjustment layer. So we will drag and drop the adjustment layer from here and we will put over the entire clip. So now to get better skin tones, as you can see, the skin in the footage looks a little dull and it's a little towards the shadows, but I want the skin to be a little bright and a little fairer. So let's see how to do that. So for this, our most important tool will be the HSL secondary. So let's see how to use it for better skin tones. So in the Lumetri color panel, we will go to the HSL secondary. Now with the eyedropper tool, we will select the skin. And now as you can see, it has already selected the hue, saturation and luminance from the skin, but we will check the color grade to properly know what it has selected. So as you can see, some parts of the skin like in the neck here and in the side of the faces are still not selected, so we will just drag the saturation. So for the neck part, the luminance, so as you can see, we have almost properly selected the skin. So now we know that all the gray part is not selected and all the skin is selected. So now what we will do, we will just first uncheck the color gray because we already know what's selected, and now we will just blur it a little bit up to maybe 3.1 or 3. I will just go with the 3. So now what we can do, we can just increase this slider to get a brighter skin tone. As you can see, as we pull down, the skin becomes dark, and as we pull up, the skin becomes more brighter and the skin tone really looks good. Never entirely pull up the slider to the maximum extent because it will just look very artificial, and just go with a little bit. So I will go like this. I think this looks very good. Now let's look at another way of doing that. So what we will do, I will just uncheck the HSL secondary. Yeah, so I have just unchecked the HSL secondary because now we will use the curves panel, the curves here, to do the same thing. So what we will do, we will just go to the curves and we will come here, which is the hue versus luma. So what we can do, we will just select the eyedropper tool from here and select this, and as you can see, 3 points are already selected, which is consisted of these colors. So we'll just pull up this, and as you can see, the skin becomes brighter. Again, don't pull it too much, otherwise it's gonna be really artificial. But this looks good. So what it basically does is we have first selected the color, which is the from Hue versus Luma. So the skin which have this color range is selected in the Hue versus Luma panel, and then from there we just increase the luma. And what is luma? It's basically luminosity of colors. So in simple words, it's basically the brightness of colors. So these were the two ways by which you can get better skin tones in your footage, and I use these two ways often in my videos to get better skin tones.